from Aliexpress. For $4.58 you can get this product: Hi-Fi Sound Intelligent Noise Reduction Bluetooth 5.3 wireless Bluetooth earbuds or headphones. And just look the design, it's awesome, and I can't believe it that wow, power bank, Type-C plug, big LED screen shows power, memory pairing, low power consumption. For $4 you can get this awesome looking, the model is M25 wireless headphones, earphones, Bluetooth 5.3 touch control, noise reduction, stereo earbuds headset. They look awesome, and I got them. I will put a link in the description below so you can check them. Bubble wrap. What it says on the package: built-in 2 powerful modes, games and music. Just click on the headphones, easy switching. They can be gray, silver, gold or red color. And here it says wireless version 5.3, wireless profiles, transmission distance 10 meters, charging time about 2 hours, that is good, standby time 280 hours, music play about 5 hours, earbuds, input 5 volts 1 amp, output 5 volt 1 amp, Siri voice call, HD voice, waterproof, high capacity. Let's open the box now. What I get: the short USB Type-C cable, replacement rubber pads. Wow, these look futuristic, like out of space. It's plastic. It looks like a metal, but it's plastic. At bottom we have the output USB 1 ampere power bank, and this is the Type-C connector for charging. Game headset, M25 model. Here goes the one. Red light meaning it's charging. And it's simple, and I like it. It's magnetic. Okay, left charging, right charging. And here we have a RGB light. And take a look at the LCD display. I know that you are seeing just like a flickering on the display, but in real time or real life that you can't be Spotify. We have left voltmeter meter, right the charging meter for the earbuds, and here it says be loud, be proud. It says that it's 95% on the station, and these panels are for the earbuds. We have RGB LED light. Wow, looking awesome, man. And they look very cool for $4. I can't believe it. Just to kill the lights so you can see in darkness. You can see the RGB light from both sides for nice looking effect. The front panel with the LCD display looking good, and the earbuds. Still I can't believe it. $4 to make this awesome product. Wow. Okay, let's connect with the smartphone now. Here they are, M25, connecting. They are not turned on. I need to hold this. Double tap. I don't know. Maybe I need to remove it from the dock. Yes. Connecting. Connected. Nice. Now are they connected? Well, are they on the dock? Can be connected for sure. Right now the both of earbuds are working, and here it have the touch. When you press it, the music start to play. When you touch again, pause, and double touch for the next track. Yes, working fine. Like, can you hear them? Okay, I'm gonna put in my ears right now. Also, they have a microphone for accepting calls. Pause. I am not a sound expert, but they sound decent for the money. $4. And I test the distance. Yes, it's above 10 meters. I like them. Yes. They are too good for the money. And right now they are playing. And what will happen if I put on the dock? Oh, wrong side. They turn it off. And now they are charging. Very nice. I need to remove the protective sheet very carefully. Alright. Much better. Oh, I need to test the charging and the power bank. My super great LCD doctor with LCD screen. I'll put a link for this product also in description below. And let's charge them. It's 93% and right now it's charging with 350 milliamperes. All right. Okay, and let's try to charge the phone. Removing. This will go right here. Will it give a 1 ampere of output power? Let's find out. Charging 290 milliamperes. It starts with 500, I see that, but in the same time the earbuds are charged. Let's remove that. Nope, it's the same, 290 milliamperes. And take a look the percent of the battery inside, 88. It's falling very fast because the capacity probably is, I don't know, 200, 300 milliamperes. But for emergency, will do the job. Look how easy it is to put them to charge. Very magnetic. With futuristic design. I like them. For $4, I'm gonna use them and see how they will run. Alright, that was all for today video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! And if you want to see more models like this one, just give a like and share the video. That will support my channel. Thank you. See ya!